Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the why you should not wait for the right moment. Let's get into the video. Why? Because the right moment never comes. The moment you are living in is the right moment, the perfect moment. You are going to spend your entire life waiting for the right moment and it never comes. You should always feel like that this is the moment and whatever I want to do, whoever I want to be, this is the moment I have to do everything and I should do everything with my whole heart. Life is really small and you will regret it later. So this is the time, my friend. If you don't want to regret, do whatever you want to do right now, because this is life. You can't delay day by day, that I'll do that tomorrow, I'll do that tomorrow, I'll do that next month, I'll do that next year. No. Do you even know that you have the certificate that you're gonna live for that long? No. What if you don't? What if I don't? Yeah. So you do whatever you want to do right now. So then this happened with me also when I was like a teenager or in my early 20s. I was very energetic and I used to think that, oh, I'll make videos and I'll do something very big and I can do that, but I never did that. See, I used to think that, no, I think I'm too young to do this. I don't think I should do this. I always look for other people validation. I shouldn't do that, I shouldn't do that. No, I think I'm too young. No, not today. And I spend my very precious 25 years thinking about that, but still I have time. Time, मैं जब तक जी रही हूँ मेरे पास तब तक टाइम है. यू कैन स्टार्ट एट एनी एज, like, and now when I am 26, I am trying not to regret and trying to start now. So I don't want any of you to regret that, yes, I wanted to do this but I didn't did it due to some pressure, due to society, due to lack of confidence, whatever xyz. If you want to do something, go for it. This is the time, my friend. You can do it. See, I realized, thanks to God, I realized it at a very early age that I should do what I really want to do. See, she is telling the same thing. You gotta do what you really want to do, and you have your life. God gives you a good health, good mind, everything. You're beautiful, you're creative, you're smart, you're intelligent. See, you can do whatever you want to do, but do it now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the right moment, because right moment never occurs. You have to create the right moment. And I hope every one of you watching this video feel very confident and encourage yourself to do what you really want to do and give it a shot. No matter what, you can do it, and if you didn't make it, you won't feel regret. You will be satisfied, you will be happy. Don't wait for the next day, the next chapter, whatever. This is the time. You can do it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.